right now. I am an antichrist. I am an anarchist. Don't know what I want, but I know how to get it. I wanna destroy my supply, 'cause I wanna be anarchy. Now, dogs, buddy. Anarchy for the UK is coming sometime, maybe. I give a wrong time, stop a traffic line. Your future dream is a shopping scheme, 'cause I wanna be anarchy in the city. Many ways to get what you want. I use the best, I use the rest. I use the enemy. I use anarchy, 'cause I wanna be anarchy. It's the only way to be. Yes. Is this the MPLA, or is this the UDA, or is this the IRA? I thought it was a UK, or just another country. Another council tenancy. I wanna be anarchy. And I wanna be anarchy. No other name. And I wanna be anarchist. A dead pest destroy.